In this exercise, we will use the dial indicator to measure in-play, radio play, and run-out of the output shaft of the gearbox. The dial indicator is a versatile tool that can be mounted in a variety of ways to measure relative movement between components. In this example, we are going to clamp the tool holder adapter to the simulator base using the included C-clamp. Assemble the tool post holder, rod, swivel clamp, and indicator. The assembly allows mounting flexibility to position the indicator in any orientation. Always orient the indicator so the plunger is aligned with the desired measurement direction. Any misalignment will reduce the accuracy of the reading. Preload the indicator by compressing the plunger approximately 1/2 its total travel range. This allows measurement of movement in either direction, in or out. When the indicator is aligned and secured in place, zero the reading by rotating the bezel until the needle indicates 0. Now we are ready to measure axial movement of the shaft. Manually attempt to move the shaft in or out of the gearbox. The indicator movement measures the in-play of the shaft. Reposition the indicator to measure radial movement of the shaft. Again, align the indicator plunger with the movement you want to measure. In this case, the plunger should be perpendicular to the output shaft. As before, preload the indicator to take up approximately 1/2 of the travel range and zero the reading. Rotate the input shaft while watching for any change in the indicator reading. Ignore the change due to the keyway. This measurement is run out, and any significant change in the reading generally indicates a bent or damaged shaft. You can also check for radio play by manually attempting to move the shaft toward and away from the indicator. Movement here indicates radio play in the shaft bearings. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.